trying to get things back together like they used to be. Still working on that siding. And we got the town set up a little bit. Getting ready to put the stripes down the street and everything else. Oh, yeah, my train station kind of collapsed here. But I put stuff into the box, the tote box that is over here. Things kind of got broken, and yeah, there's a bunch of stuff here. Tom brought over some tank cars that need fixing, and other than that, we're progressing. Did not go to the train show today, Saturday. It's in Cal Expo at Sacramento. Tom and I are going to go tomorrow, Sunday. And maybe I'll pick something up. Maybe I won't. So, anyway, you'll see, because I will post this when I get my stuff from the train show. I'll see you all on the flip side. Hey, this old station has seen better days when I put it in the storage container. It fell apart. So there is a strong possibility that I'll be getting a new one, a 3D printed one. So we're keeping our fingers crossed that that can happen. But we've got the buildings in here to replicate where we're going to put the stripes and stuff. And then since the weather's warming up, Fred will take it out and paint it, and we'll be all set. So, anyway, I was at the GAT show over the past weekend in Sacramento, and the only thing I bought was some old limited editions HO scaled kit, which was a articulated triple diner set with the kitchen car, the dining car, and a coffee shop. And I think I might have bit off more than I can chew. You'll see pictures of that in this video. So yeah, it's going to be a nightmare. Whether I ever finish it or not, probably not. I'll probably go out and buy one. Next time I find one at a show, I'll go out and buy it. But with that said, I'll be running trains. I think Fred's going to be over later. Tom bought a steam engine at the show, so he's going to want to test it out on Saturday. So we're probably going to get together Saturday. Just him and I. Maybe Fred will show up. I don't know. Oh, anyway. It's keeping you up to date. I'll see you on the flip side. Yeah, here's the limited editions brand metal kits. They're aluminum. And I just have these taped together for right now. This is going to be one hell of a challenge. So, and these are the windows that come with it. So, I don't think this is focusing again, but anyway, that's the trouble I got myself into. All right, I'll show you more later. Going over the trestle. Long Ravine Trestle. And Interstate A down below there.
We are approaching the city of Colfax. Colfax was named in 1865 in honor of Schuyler Colfax, who at the time was Speaker of the House of Representatives in Washington, D.C., and later served as Vice President in the administration of Ulysses